Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Ethereum weekly time frame chart at Zondacrypto. As you can see, this is the Ether to Tether Japanese candlesticks. And what do we see here? If we just zoom out a little bit, you can see that recently in the long-term charts, we got this situation where the market went down towards the level of 2166 and 2159. Those levels are very, very interesting from the technical point of view, because in 2023, exactly in the April 2023, we got this level here, 2100, basically 2130, and this level is the key long-term technical support for the market participants, especially for the bulls. Why? We got this level here, then we got bearish engulfing on weekly, then we went down again, attempt to rally, big upper shadow, so the rally was faded, new low, and then again a rally, first week, second week, third week, and fourth week breakout, then a test, first test, second test, and off we go. So the market participants know this level, they know where it is, and they are reacting on it, which is very, very good. So this is now the key technical support for the bulls. And just recently we got the downside breakout below the level of 2832. We got the breakout, and then we went even lower, almost touching the technical support. We can add one more line here on the lows of this level, 2166, basically $30 away from this key technical support, which is not that much if we speak about the weekly time frame chart. So this is the zone, this is the technical support, and the zone located just between this this level, and that's the previous key level here, of course, the technical resistance. So what is going on with the levels is quite obvious right now, so let's leave it. So we retraced almost we retraced and we tested them, almost tested the key technical support level. Okay, there is no breakout below it just yet. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is what is going on with the moving averages. If we add the moving averages on our chart, and we are going to add 21 weeks and 55 weeks moving average. Okay, so we can see that the market is way below 21 weeks moving average and just below the 55 weeks moving average. All right, that doesn't, and there is no cross yet just on the weekly time frame chart. If we take a look at the 55 and 100 weeks, because it's a round number, and 55, there's 55 weeks in the standard year, you can see that the market is right now around bounded between 55 weeks and 100 weeks as well. So that's quite interesting to see what is the market situation against the moving averages. Now let's mark some levels here. This is the technical resistance, possibly this is the key technical resistance in the short term, 2832, and now the market is locked in between those two technical levels, resistance and support, in between moving averages 55 and 100, and it looks like it doesn't know where it wants to go right now, but the bearish pressure is quite strong. How strong is the bearish pressure? Let's just find out by using the RSI indicator, and you can see that we are coming off extremely overbought conditions. Yes, down, then another attempt on the lower momentum, so there is a bearish divergence between momentum and between the there almost was a bearish divergence between the momentum and the the price, so we just need the slightly higher high, but the difference between this momentum and this is substantial. And then now we just went lower towards the technical support, fine, and then we went towards the level of 40, and there is no indication that the market wants to go higher here on the momentum, right? We are just hovering around 40 and 45, 40, 45, and unless we got a breakout above the level of 50, the market is still on the negative side of the momentum, which means the bears are in control of the market, and the negative sentiment might be waiting on the price, maybe even pushing it lower towards the extremely oversold condition. Eventually, that means we might break below the level of 2131 to invalidate this kind of a scenario. We need a breakout above the level of 2832 and go back into the positive territory, go back above the level of 3000 and then 3500, exactly 3543, to make an attempt to test the swing high at 4085. That's my long-term view on the Ethereum. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye-bye.